Understanding salad to go, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. In today's video, we're going to explore a common English phrase, salad to go. This phrase is a great example of how English can be simple yet confusing for learners. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means. Salad to go is a phrase you might hear in restaurants or cafes. Let's break it down. Salad refers to a popular dish made with a mixture of raw vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers, often dressed with oil, vinegar, or other dressings. To go is a phrase added to food orders. It means you want the food packaged for takeaway or to be eaten elsewhere, not at the place of purchase. So, salad to go simply means a salad that is prepared for you to take away and eat at a different location. Understanding how and when to use salad to go is important. 1. In a restaurant setting. 2. When you're at a restaurant and you want a salad but don't plan to eat it there, you can say, "I'd like a Caesar salad to go, please." 3. It signals the staff to package your salad for takeaway. 4. Variations in usage. 5. The phrase, to go, can be used with almost any food item. For example, coffee to go, or pizza to go. 6. It's a versatile phrase in English-speaking countries, especially in fast food restaurants or cafes. It's also interesting to note the cultural context behind to-go phrases. Fast-paced lifestyle. The popularity of to-go orders reflects the fast-paced lifestyle in many English-speaking countries, where people often eat on the run. Convenience culture. It's a part of the culture that values convenience and efficiency, especially in urban areas. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, salad to go. It's a small but perfect example of how English can be practical and culturally informative. Remember, when learning a new language, every phrase you learn adds to your understanding of the culture and lifestyle. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English learning videos. See you next time.